Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the measures that can be used in order to reduce the rate of energy transfer from a home and so reduce home heating or cooling bills. So, the problem is keeping warm or keeping cool. So an energy efficient house in a hot climate or a cold climate would stay cool or warm by reducing the rate at which heat entered the house. This figure shows how heat energy can be lost from the home. It can be lost from the windows, from the roof, the walls, the door draughts, or the floor. So what are the measures that can be used in order to reduce the rate of heat energy transfer? Let's start with the loft insulation. Loft insulation, such as fiberglass, reduces the rate of energy transfer through the roof. Regarding the walls, cavity wall insulation reduces the rate of energy transfer through the outer walls of the house. Using aluminum foil between a radiator panel and the wall reflects radiation away from the wall and so reduces the rate of energy transferred. By using double glazed windows, this reduces the heat loss from the windows. And by using thicker bricks, the rate of transfer of energy from the inside of the building to the outside will be lower. By using these measures, we can reduce the heat loss from the house and consequently the cost of heating or cooling will be less. That's all. Thanks for watching.